This should be another quick one, so definitely under 2 minutes. Just to really explain the software page. As we've said on another video that we did for the hardware page, the software page was literally requested by users just to get a bit more of a single pane of glass for their application estate. So it pretty much is, if I search in RoboShadow here, it will come up with anything that's, there you go, spell it properly, there we go. So it will come up with the different versions of RoboShadow out there, and just really gives an estate view. So you can see, you can hide the Microsoft app, so you can see, right, okay, exclaimer, who's got that on their desktop, and it can go through and give you an understanding by version who's got what software rolled out throughout the estate. So as you can see here, it does integrate with CyberHill, so you can update the software via the Winget repository if it's available in Winget. You can update it via your own exe or MSI files, and that's across the estate, not just individual workstations. Or you can completely remove that application from the estate if it is no longer required and therefore vulnerable. Quite often you find versions of Wireshark rolled out for testing or support issues that are vulnerable, that just don't need to be there anymore. So we're very much looking to take any views in terms of what people want to see additionally from the software page. But for us, it literally just gives the users a window just to do a bit more estate management, to understand when they know they've got vulnerable software out there, where is it, and what do they need to do to interact with it a bit better. So thank you ever so much for watching.